I'm going to show you how I make this sound to this. So friend, let's start today's video. We will start from oscillator 1. Select sine wave. Oscillator 2. Select sine wave or FM. Go to LFO section. Select sine wave here. Select envelope and select invert. Increase depth level little bit. On section 2, select the sine format and increase the depth level, decrease rate level. On section 3, select this sine format, wave format, decrease the rate. Okay friends, go down. There is oscillator mode. You can select distortion or DFM. I prefer DFM. Increase little bit number. Go down. There is vibrato. Select it on. Okay friends, on filter 1 I will select this and go to XY section and adjust frequency here. Okay friends, and there is decay, sustain or release. Decrease sustain level, decay as it is, increase release numbers, attack as it is. Friends, go down. Bottom of the synth you can see attack, sustain, release. So keep the sustain level down, decay as it is, or release the numbers up to 100. So friend, this is our piano sound. You can increase one octave up. And friend, go to mixer. This is our track. And go to FX insert. Select stereo delay. Increase decay numbers up to 630. Okay friends, and increase the feedback numbers up to 50. Sync both of these, mix the numbers and panning it. You can hear, you can listen the decay sound. Decrease the feedback and decrease mix also. Okay friends, this our piano sound is ready now. Friend, I made this melody on this baby synth. Friend, if you want to listen this track complete, so link is in description. You can go there and listen the full track and write in the comments how you like it. And friends, subscribe the channel and like the video. We will see you on next video. Thanks friends.